Hi guys, welcome back to Dr. AI YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about neurons and types of neurons. We know that nervous system is consist with two main types of cells. They are neurons and neuroglia. So here we are going to talk about neurons. In next video, I'm going to describe about neuroglia cells. Neurons are the structural and functional unit of nervous system, and they process electrical excitability. That means they turn stimulus into action potential. So the functions of neurons are sensing, thinking, remembering, and control muscle activity, and also regulate glandular secretions. Now let's talk about the parts of a neuron cell. Neuron cell have three main parts as cell body, dendrites and axon. So this is cell body and these are dendrites and this is the axon. When we talk about cell body, it is also known as soma. And the cytoplasm of the cell body contains numerous inclusions, mitochondria, lysosomes, Golgi complex, extensive RAR, and cytoskeleton. And in cytoskeleton of the cytoplasm, there are a dense mesh of microtubules and neurofibrils. Dendrites are the input portions of this neuron cell. They are short, tapering and highly branched and form a tree-shaped array of processes extending from the cell body. And this axon is cylindrical and relatively unbranched and enclosed by Schwann cells and myelin sheath. This axon propagates the nerve impulses. Now let's talk about the types of neuron cell. The neuron cells can be divided into two main types as structural neurons and functional neurons. Structural neurons are three types as multipolar, bipolar and unipolar. So here you can see multipolar neuron cell. Here bipolar and here unipolar. Multipolar means it has several dendrites. You can see here several dendrites. And one axon. These multipolar cells are common type in central nervous system. Bipolar means they have one main dendrite and one axon. That's why it's called as bipolar. These bipolar neuron cells can be seen in retina, inner eye, olfactory area of bone. In unipolar, this neuron cell also has several dendrites and one axon, but they are both fused together at one point. That's why it is called as unipolar. Unipolar cells can be seen as sensory neurons. When we divide neuron cells as functional, there are also three types, as sensory neurons, interneurons, and motor neuron. Sensory neurons are unipolar and interneurons are multipolar. And motor neuron are also multipolar. That means these bipolar cells can be only seen in retina, inner eye, olfactory area of bone. So sensory neuron receives sensory information from receptors and transmit to central nervous system. And interneuron facilitate communication between sensory and motor neuron. Then the motor neuron transmit motor impulses from central nervous system to muscles or glands. We can remember these three types easily, as we know main three functions of neuron system is also sensory, integrative and motor. So they are divided according to that. So that's all about neuron cells. In next video we will discuss about neuroglia cells.